everyone, welcome on Section 51. You are watching DOSGeek on Section 51. I hope that you're okay and that you're ready to watch this new video, this new amazing video on Section 51. And today we are going to talk about some strange triangular shaped UFO that could have been spotted in Antarctica. What an amazing new subject on Section 51. And you know, if you often watch videos on Section 51, you know that we like UFO reports, we like UFO sightings in Antarctica. We have a lot of videos showing UFO sightings in Antarctica. So let's go right now on the web to read a new article together and to discover strange stories about all this. Right now. So we are back on the website International Business Times with a new article written by our dear friend Inigo Monzon. It was written on April of 2020, and the title is "Some Hidden Triangular Alien Vessel Spotted in Antarctica as a UFO Expert Claims." I guess it's always the same UFO expert. So the key points are: don't pay attention to the picture here. It is not linked to the article. It is just an advertising video. So the key points are: first, a UFO expert claimed to have spotted an alien vessel on Antarctica. Secondly, the expert made the discovery using Google Maps. And thirdly, the expert believes the alleged vessel has been on Earth for a long time. A UFO expert claimed to have spotted a triangular alien aircraft that was buried under ice and snow in the Antarctic region. According to the expert, the alleged craft proves that aliens have been on Earth for hundreds or even thousands of years. Yes, we have a lot of people who believe that Earth was visited in ancient times by the ancient astronauts, the so-called ancient astronauts. It was in the old times. And the strange UFO sighting was made by Scott Waring again. Yes, I was sure that it was Scott Waring of ET Database, and he said that he came across the image of the alleged alien craft while he was using Google Maps. I guess that the writer on International Business Times is a subscriber of the YouTube channel of Scott Waring. Through the application, Waring decided to virtually explore Antarctica. And as he was taking a tour of the region, he came across an object that was partially buried underneath snow and ice. Upon closer examination, Waring noted that the object looks like an alien vessel. Based on the images, Waring noted that the object has a metallic-like body with a triangular shape. It also has a hump on its center. The UFO expert noted that the object resembles the TR-3B experimental aircraft developed by the US Air Force. Although this aircraft does not officially exist, conspiracy theorists believe it uses anti-gravity technology in order to fly.
Hello everyone, this is Scott of ET Database, and I have something really unique, a craft.
So he's zooming.
But in the middle, you see this this gaping hole, which is unusual. And down here, it looks like there is either another aircraft of some sort, or spacecraft, or parts of a landing area. This whole area might have been former military or even alien.
I don't know, I'm not sure.
Descriptions in
There is some curvature in the shape.
There's something called the Dorito flying over England for the last.
This is very difficult to have an opinion with a picture like this.
Dorito, but it's actually a TR3B. Some people, it's actually, but this really looks like a TR3B. Hey, let me show you on Google Earth this UFO.
Yes, show us, please.
Okay,
show
here we
us
are
on Google Earth.
When you zoom out, let's show you more. This is.
I would say it's more like a pyramid shape
See it again.
in Antarctica
See it right there?
rather than a UFO, a triangular shaped
Zoom out so you
UFO.
can see the full area.
So let's see which is the area.
Island.
Lavoisier Island,
I'm going to zoom out.
French name.
Lavoisier Island.
Okay, and this is Antarctica.
Zoom back in.
On Lavoisier Island.
Zoom back in. Just wanted to show you where it is so you can find it yourself.
You were lucky to spot
Over here.
this shape.
Zooming in.
Or maybe it's a deformation of the
Now,
picture
let's make it as big as I possibly
in
can.
the mix of
The
two
best thing
pictures.
I got. I'm gonna
At the
take
delimitation
Google
of two
Ruler,
pictures.
try to measure in meters how
I
big
don't
this
believe that
object is. Now,
it
understand
could
that
be
it is
some
buried in this
triangular
area, so
shape
looks like it's
UFO or
28
construction
meters
building. I don't know, but
by an area.
that
Tell me in the
looks like
comments
more
below, what do you
like,
think is going on here? I'd really like to hear
some
from you guys.
deformation of the
And,
photo of the
what are
picture
your
from
thoughts?
satellite.
Is this a TR3B?
Because
Or is this an alien
when you
craft?
have two
Before
pictures,
the
two photos
TR3B was ever
superposing,
given to,
sometimes at
humans.
the delimitation
Okay, Scotty,
on
where?
the
ET
border,
database, like and
you have
subscribe.
some mix which is not perfect. And this is a sample, this is the perfect example of this imperfection. So you can subscribe to the channel of ET Database if you like, if you want. But please,
Right over here,
let me show you,
this object is now under.
let me show you what is a TR3B. This is a TR3B on CGI video that we made in the past on Section 51. Let's see the slow motion. Okay? This is a TR3B. As it could be, if it was true. I don't know, we don't have the confirmation, the official version of the military forces, the US military forces, is that the TR3B doesn't exist. But there is some theories saying that TR3B could be a secret weapon developed by US military. And you, what do you think of this? Do you think TR3B exists in real life? Is it real? Is it active? But sincerely, in this video on Antarctica, about Antarctica, I don't really think this is some triangular shaped UFO that could be that could have been left in the ice, that could have been trapped in the ice several years in our history. I don't think so. As noted by Waring, the area surrounding the LH vessel may have been an old base used by aliens on Earth. Yes, the pyramid shape, I don't know. I was looking over an island in the Antarctic region when I came across a TR-3B craft, he stated in a blog post. The triangle craft has a hump in the middle and a thicker edge with 3 sides. It looks metallic and it's sitting in an area which appears to be the location of an ancient alien base. According to Waring, the strange object may have been sitting underneath thick layers of snow and ice for a very long time. However, due to the increase in global temperatures, the ice covering the object has started to melt. Due to its current state, the UFO expert believes that the alleged vessel has been on Earth for a very long time now. This craft was revealed after warm years had melted the ice and snow, revealing the secret craft below, he stated. This is 100% evidence that aliens have lived on Earth long before humanity ever made cities. No, sincerely, I don't think it's true at 99%. I think Scott Waring is right at, let's say, 10%. Sincerely, I would like you, Scott Waring, I would like to say that you're right. I would like to say that there is some relics of alien life on Earth, some kind of alien vessel left in Antarctic in the ice. But sincerely, this is not totally trustful proof that we have here on the picture. What you could do, Scott Waring, you could go on Lavoisier Island to check with your own eyes and to show us the proof with a camera, with photo, with video. You could show us the proof that this is an alien vessel, a triangular shaped alien vessel trapped in the ice. This is the only way to prove that you're right. You can't trust like this just a simple picture, a simple photo taken on Google Earth. This is not trustful. This is not. You can see that you have pixels, you have picture deformation. This is not. You can trust Google Earth for this kind of theory. And you guys, what do you think of all this? Is it right? Is it false? Could it be an ancient TR-3B alien vessel found in Antarctica in the ice? Or is it just simple deformation of the photo made by Google Earth? I would be curious to see, to read your comments and to see what do you think about all this. This is a very powerful question. I would like you to that we could find some proofs, some authentical proofs that ancient aliens were on Earth one day, years before in the past. But I don't think this one is the proof that we are waiting for. Okay guys, once again thank you for watching this new video, and until the next video, stay safe, spend some time with people you love, with your family. That's very important. Don't forget to like, to share the video, to subscribe, to take a look at our Facebook page, because we have a lot of other videos. We have a lot of CGI videos on the Facebook page that you can't find today on the YouTube channel. The Facebook page is very complementary with the YouTube channel, so I invite you to visit sometimes our Facebook page, section 51. So guys, this is the end. This was DozGeek on section 51. Live long and prosper, and of course keep watching section 51 on YouTube. That's very important. See you next time, guys, and stay safe. Bye.